Hey everyone. Okay, so tonight I'm going to make some sloppy joes. It's just gonna be a simple thing that I do. The basics is, and I've already kind of prepared to save some time, one medium green pepper, a medium onion. I've got 2 pounds of 80/20 ground chuck, some garlic, some diced tomatoes, no salted added, ketchup, yellow mustard, some some tomato paste, no salted added, because a lot of the stuff's already got salt in it, so yeah. Some mild green chili, some Worcestershire, coarse salt, pepper, and then I'll add some chili powder. Hold on. Okay, figured I'll just grab them now. Alright, so I'm going to add some chipotle chili pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika, some chili powder, and then of course a little bit of the garlic and the onion powder as well. Okay, so here's the key. You want to start out, okay, with a cold pan. Alright? That's the key. To get your meat nice and loose, alright? Cold pan. Now, I'm not going to put any oil in here because this is 80/20. If it was 70/30, then I would have added a little bit of oil, but there's going to be enough oil in this that I'm not going to need to add any oil. Now for this, you definitely don't want a less or a higher fat content. You definitely want the lower end of it. So, because you're going to be adding everything to it. I mean, I guess you could use a higher quality, or not a higher fat content and then just drain it. But the way I do it, can't drain it. So here we go. Now you're going to turn it on to about medium to medium high. And we're going to let this sit and cook. Just so, until it starts to break down a little bit. Once it starts doing that, then I'm going to add all of my garlic and my onions and peppers. Yes. So this is not a quick version of it. If you want a quick version of it, I can definitely show you that version too. This is, and we need brown sugar too. I forgot to tell you that. But yeah, I mean, I can show you a quick version if you'd like, but this is one that's going to take a little bit of time because you're going to have to cook it down just a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to let this cook, and then once it gets not completely done, but almost done, then I will bring you guys back. Oh wait, here we go. Do you hear that? Do you hear the sizzle? I don't know. Alright, so I'll bring you back when it's time to put all of the veggies and stuff in it, okay? Okay, so it's cooked and there's still just a little bit of water and oil down there, but not much. So now we are going to add the peppers and the onions. Also, I got the mild. Now, if you like it spicy, you can add whatever you want, but I'm doing the mild. Oh. Yes, juice and all, because we will be simmering this. Same with the tomatoes, I'm going to use juice and all. Okay, now for the diced tomatoes. Okay, now for the garlic. I'm going to use, I don't know, like a good teaspoon and a half, I don't know, tablespoon. That's really more up to you. Okay, give this a nice stir. Oh, this is going to be so good, you guys. I'm telling you. All right. Now, we're going to add, I don't know, I'd say maybe a cup of ketchup. Then we're going to add, I don't know, probably a good tablespoon to tablespoon and a half of mustard. Now, if you don't have this, you can use Dijon, or you can even use dry mustard. If you use the dry mustard, though, I'd suggest using less. I'm going to put some Worcestershire sauce. I don't know, just a couple of dashes like that. The smoked paprika. I don't know, probably about a teaspoon. I'm going to be not so generous with this because I don't want it super spicy. So I'm going to put only about a teaspoon of that in there. Some of my garlic powder. About a teaspoon. And same with the onion powder, about a teaspoon. Maybe less. I don't even think that was a full teaspoon. Alright, I am going to add just a little bit of salt. If I can get it to come out. And some, I don't know if I showed you, this is what I use. And then the medley peppercorn. And then my little thing is the chili powder. Not a lot, just again about, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Okay, let's get this stirred in. Oh, this is going to be so good, you guys, I'm telling you. Now I'm going to show you a trick with the tomato paste, because you always see people struggling with that. If you take, oops, sorry, didn't mean to bump you. If you take and you do both ends, right, then you just have to push like this. And then of course she'll catch this edge. Just like that. And then, look, pretty cool, nifty trick, huh? Okay, maybe it's not a trick, maybe it's old news, but that's what I do. I'm also going to add about a half a cup, maybe a little less, of water. And then we're going to let this simmer for about 35 to 45 minutes, okay, until it thickens up. You know, let everything kind of marry together, let the veggies soften and cook. As I said, this one's not a quick sloppy joe. Hold on. No. All right, so let me grab the water. Okay, so here's about a half a cup of water. And then that's it. You're just going to let it simmer, like I said, for about 35 to 45 minutes. So when we get to that point, oh shoot, you know what? I totally forgot. Probably the most important thing, the brown sugar. Let me get that. Cannot believe I was going to forget that. Okay, I'm going to put in about a quarter of a cup. Now, depending on how sweet you like yours, you can add more. I'm going to taste it here in a little bit. I might add a little bit more, but that's what I'm going to start with, is a quarter of a cup. Yeah, I almost forgot that. I can't believe that. Crazy, crazy. All right, so I will see you guys back when it is time to dish it up, or, you know, if I need to add anything else, I'll bring you back then. Okay, so we'll see you in just a moment. Okay, so it cooked for about 45 minutes. I already fed my family because they're hungry. They want to eat. So now I'm gonna make mine and show you. But I'm telling you, I wish there was smell-o-vision, because oh my gosh, this is freaking amazing. Oops. Or you can make a mess like I did. Pile that baby on. And get a fork, because you're going to want to eat up the little pieces. Alright, let's move ya with me. Here we go. Hold on one sec. Okay, sorry about that. Let's take a bite. Well, it is sloppy. Oh my god. I'm telling you. I think what I would have done different is toasted the bread, but I'm telling you, try the recipe. Oh man. Oh my God. I'm telling you, please, you guys try this. It is the bomb. Um, Besides the bun, I like I said, I would have toasted it. I would have used the petite cut or the petite diced tomatoes. But I do like the big chunks of the tomatoes. I mean, I guess maybe it's all on preference, but yeah, definitely try that for sure. I'm telling you guys, you will love it for sure. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Like I said, try it. Let me know down below if you've tried it or if you're gonna try it, because I'm telling you, you'll love it. If you do want one that does not take 45 minutes, to cook, then let me know and I can show you a quicker version. But yeah, this costed me a whole lot less to make than it would have been if I bought a can of that, whatever that stuff is, or the packet. And this way you know how much stuff is in there and you know what's in there. So all right, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time. And as always, don't forget to smile. Love y'all. Bye bye.